Well, hello everybody. My name is Steve. I'm one of the designers at Homestead Window Treatments, and today we're going to talk about the do's and don'ts of draperies. Okay, well the first thing that we should do is line or interline your draperies. Lining, definitely. Never do an unlined drapery. They get burned by the sun. The lining does protect them. Interlining adds a nice voluptuousness to the draperies. Very soft hands, and they draw very nicely also. If you're going to be considering a silk fabric for your draperies, don't forget to interline. There are two or three different interlinings which we can supply for you. One is a basic flannel interlining. The next one is called bump. It's from Europe. It's a very heavy interlining. Usually requires hand stitching, but the finished product is magnificent. Okay, when measuring for your draperies, we should always raise them above the sight line of the window. Never do them directly on the molding or just encompass the window. Allow for stack back on either side so you can draw the drapery open and still get a full view out of your window, but raise the height so the room itself feels taller. Now we're up to your window. Let's say you want to do something that is more decorative and have something more functional. So I would use side panels to break on the floor, or puddle, whichever you prefer. It's neither here nor there. But have shears with the side panels and have a functional window treatment on the window for room darkening or light filtering, whether it be top down, bottom up. Motorized for you lazy bones who don't want to get out of bed. Just press the button and raise it up, and you're ready to go for the day. For all you techies, what you do want to do, not just for you lazy people, you want to motorize everything. Hey Google, open my draperies at 8 o'clock in the morning so I don't be late for work. We had the do's, let's do the don'ts. You don't just put a drapery on your window. You have to allow for height and width, which is referred to as stack back. You want the drape to be able to part open in the center and reveal your entire window. At that point, you would have a window treatment on the window, let's say a duet shade of silhouette or something of that nature, to control the light and the privacy. The next one would be, don't be chintzy with fullness. Generally, drapes are done at 2.5 to 3 times fullness. Shears are done usually at 3 times fullness. Generally. I would keep your overdrape at 2.5 times full, just to give it enough rippling effect when it comes across your window. Otherwise, it's going to look like a rag hanging there, and that's not what you want. Now we get to the fun part. When you want to really dress the drape, you can do a decorative rod. We have countless number of decorative rod options: wood, resin, metal. They could be motorized, they could be hand drawn, they could be drawn with a baton. The choice is yours, but we do have a lot to choose from. When it comes to fabricating your draperies, don't be afraid to experiment a little bit. You have ring top with French pleats. You have English pleats. You have rings with drapes that are hanging below the pin setting itself. You have grommet top, goblet pleat. I'm a big fan of ripple fold. I don't have a sample to show you, but it's something that is very modern for if you're going for a modern look in your home, as opposed to what mom and dad had in their house, a typical French pleat. Shy away from that a little bit. Be bold. Go for a grommet top if you have enough room to do something like that. They slide very easily across the pole. Very nice effect. Available in a lot of different colors, different finishes. So, it may be summer, but it's still decorating season. So what are you waiting for? Give us a call. Right here is the phone number. Just give us a call, set up a date with one of our designers, and we'll be glad to help you in-home or in-store.